Yes, I tried it with this image and got rid of this character completely, and it worked incredibly well. So I like taking a copy and then just getting rid of the background because we don't need that. And then on this layer, I did this for the video demo there. It's the first test I've done with this tool and it just worked unbelievably well. So you just go kaplonk, and I thought, let's go do this separately, the figure and the shadow. It might be a good idea to try this together, but I thought, hey, this is a complicated background. We've got the two types of colors, we've got some leaves on the floor, and it just filled in everything as if the character was never there. It's quite crazy. I mean, if you look at them side by side, you can kind of see these are still the legs here, but it really blended in all the detail incredibly well. Shadow also, let's go get rid of that. That's just magic. If you didn't know there was a person there, unbelievable. Can we, what happens to the bike? Can we get rid of the bike? Can Photoshop do that? I guess it can. What bike? You never had a bike. What? Very cool. So no bike, no bystander. That's very cool. Let's try one more. Yeah, this would be great if we didn't want people on the sidewalk here. Let's try that. So here we have the figure and the shadow, so I might go and try her first. Figure gone. That's cool. This looks a little bit featureless, so I wonder if we can just go and put some of the... Yes, we can! Look at that! That is very cool. I mean, this is... I don't know if this has happened as a result of me removing the character, but if this is featureless, that is just so cool. We just go... blend in some of this. So I don't know what Photoshop actually looks at. It must look at the surrounding areas and understands, well, this is the kind of pattern that would be here, and just goes fills it in. Is that amazing or what? See, we get rid of him. My god, that's crazy. I mean, this is a particularly difficult area. Look at the pattern. It's filled out the pattern. What? That is crazy. I think we're playing the right music for that in the background as well. Let's get rid of his shadow there. This is too much fun. This is great. Okay, your shadow. See, I'm careful. Maybe I shouldn't be careful. And I just tell Photoshop here I'm the uncareful guy. Yeah, that works better. If you're not careful, that actually works better than when you're careful. That's insane. Including guessing and perhaps over-guessing the color of this strip here. That's just so cool. So if we just make that better. Yes! It's... my god! This is crazy. I love it. That is so cool. So I'm careful again here. Maybe I shouldn't be. And I was going to say, I wouldn't be surprised if this wasn't going to work, but it did. Just a couple of brush strokes. Rod's going to love it. Whoops. Sorry. I've enhanced the pattern here accidentally. I didn't mean to do that. That is, oh man, make your pictures better with a single click. This used to be a big job for people. I mean, you know, this obviously sometimes mileage may vary. Before and after. My god, and look what a difference it makes, the whole image composition. It just tidies the whole thing up. Isn't that crazy? My god.